Conductors TV.
Let's meet the busy building site machines. Hi kids, I'm Danny the dump truck. I'm one of the busiest machines on a building site, carrying heavy loads in my back. Hello, my name's Stephen and I'm a cement mixer. I keep cement spinning in my drum all day long. Frankie the flatbed truck is what they call me. My flatbed means I can carry loads of any shape or size. Hello kids, I'm Bulldozer Betty, pleased to meet you. I'm very strong and powerful and can move rubble, rocks and boulders out of the way. Hi kids, I'm Eric the excavator. I dig and scoop with the bucket at the end of my arm all day long. Hello everyone, my name's Roland and I'm a road roller. I roll back and forth, flattening the ground as I go. The owner forklift, that's me. Hello there kids. I'm the lifter and mover on a building site. Hello everyone, I'm Colin the Crane, nice to meet you. I am so tall, so I can lift heavy loads way up high.
Subscribe to our channel.